how to get dark mode on TikTok on your Samsung Galaxy device. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video I will guide you on how you can get dark mode on TikTok on Samsung Galaxy, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So you know that the TikTok application doesn't support dark mode for Android, and especially on Samsung phones or any other Android phone, TikTok does not have Android or the dark mode by default. So what do we do in this case? Now first of all, make sure to download the TikTok app. Of course, you can see it's installing in my. Then after that, you want to make sure to also download the TikTok Lite application. The problem with both of these applications is that they don't support dark mode natively, which means they don't support dark mode by default. Because even if I actually switch to dark mode on my phone over here, you can see even if I switch to dark mode on my phone, the TikTok application will not switch to the dark mode. So how do we fix this? Well, to fix this, there is a very simple trick, because let me just open it up, show you. By the way, just first of all like this. So you can see that I'm on the light mode, right? So how do I switch to dark mode? Even the TikTok Lite application is the same, you will not be able to actually find the dark mode on TikTok Lite as well. So in order to actually fix this, first of all, what you want to do is just open settings on your Samsung phone. Once you open settings, scroll down, go to about phone, then go to software information, then tap on the build number multiple times to enable developer options, then just enter your phone's pin to enable developer options. Now then you can come back, scroll down, and then go to the option called developer options. Now just go to developer options. Now under developer options, you have to simply look for one option that I'm going to tell you, and the option is called force dark mode. Now this option is available inside of your developer settings only, so just turn on force dark mode. Now when you turn on force dark mode and when you switch to dark mode, the applications that don't support dark mode by default will also be forced to switch to dark mode. And once you've turned on force dark mode, both of the applications will follow accordingly to get the dark mode as well. This is simply how you can get dark mode on TikTok on Samsung. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.